it's Luxury Fred, and my Italian luxury adventure continues at one of my favorite hotels in the whole world. It is the newly renovated, the newly reopened Hotel Eden. So let's go inside.
Welcome, Mr. Sherman.
Thank you.
Hello, Mr. Sherman. Welcome to the Hotel Eden.
Thank you.
Follow me.
Thank you. We're at one of my favorite hotels in the whole world, the newly renovated and just reopened Hotel Eden here in Rome. And this is the library area here in the lobby. Look how beautiful it is. All redesigned. And again, the hotel just reopened after an 18-month renovation on April 1st. And there's a secret here in the library that I'm going to show you. And it's right over here. Look at this. So we have a secret bar here in the library. And in the afternoons, this is opened up, and you can have your pre-dinner drinks or your after-dinner drinks.
Yeah, or also pre-dinner cocktails if you
whatever
wish.
you like. Pretty cool. Secret bar here in the library.
Yes, La Libreria.
La Libreria of Hotel Eden, Rome. Again, I am in Rome at the Hotel Eden, Rome, the newly reopened, newly renovated, always beautiful Hotel Eden. Part of the Dorchester collection, of course. And let me give you a tour of one of the hotel's fantastic signature suites. This is the Aurora Terrace suite. And we have this nice living area here. There's a guest powder room over there behind that other door. We have a work desk, a giant-sized Bang & Olufsen TV. Moving up here, look at this bathroom. Look at this bathroom. How about that bathtub? Very nice. So the hotel has created all these spa-like bathrooms and took special care to choose marble that really evoked kind of a ancient Roman bath and that kind of style. And you'll see it's a very different shades of white, all very beautiful. Look at this sink, just hewn out of marble. So again, we have this big freestanding bathtub. And then over here, we have our big shower. Look at all that marble. Wow, fantastic. And the lavatory in here. Just love that vanity with that sink. Continuing on the tour, we have a nice closet space here. Some big closets, walk-in closet here between the bathroom and the bedroom. And then we have this beautiful bedroom with a window onto the inner courtyard over there. And then let me show you the best feature of this suite in a second. So we have this nice bedroom. There's a little makeup area over there. Again, we have another big Bang & Olufsen TV. These are some kind of Bluetooth speakers or something like that there. And so I was saying that this is called the Aurora Terrace Suite. And it's called the Aurora Terrace Suite for a reason, because you get not only that luxurious suite, but this suite comes with its own beautiful private terrace. Look at this. Certainly something rare in the heart of Rome, where a lot of the hotel rooms are the size of your bedroom closet. So again, this is the Aurora Terrace Suite here at the Hotel Eden. You have that beautiful area inside, living area, the bedroom, and then this giant outdoor terrace right in the heart of Rome. The hotel just reopened about 3 days ago, after an 18-month-long renovation and rejuvenation and refurbishment and all that kind of stuff, and it is just spectacular now. Most likely they're going to add some other things to this patio, maybe some more furniture and things like that, after the hotel has been open for a while. But again, the Aurora Terrace suite here at the Hotel Eden in Rome.